In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Cash App to Cash App by sending money from one account to another. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. To begin, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're on the main screen where your balance is displayed. From here, use the number pad to enter the amount of money you want to send. Once you've entered the amount, tap the Pay button at the bottom of the screen. Next, Cash App will ask you to choose a recipient. You can enter the person's Cash App tag, phone number, or email address that's linked to their Cash App account. If the person is nearby and your settings allow it, they may also appear automatically as a suggested contact. After selecting the recipient, you can add a short note explaining the payment, which is optional but helpful. When you're ready, tap the Pay button in the top right corner. Confirm the transaction using your PIN, Face ID, or Touch ID. The money will be sent instantly from your Cash App account to the other Cash App account, and the recipient will receive it right away. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.